If you love to cook and entertain, do that. You know, I mean, love is food. Food is love. You gotta have it. They come together.
Soul food.
Stuffed baked potato, strawberry pizza,
fried chicken,
egg rolls, you name it.
burritos. Yeah,
we coming. Right, wherever you call me, I'm coming, okay?
You bring your mic?
Oh, I definitely have my mic.
Oh, she brought a mic. Tabitha is more theatrical. She just, when she get on the mic, she just love to have fun. She will just sit there and think she's Anita Baker.
We got it.
What you got to say about yourself?
Oh, I love me. I want to thank me.
I love her too.
I want to thank me. I worked with Miss Tony and she made sure everything was, you know, she put all my dreams together. Everything that I needed, she hooked me up.
You guys definitely are professional.
I just gave your number out to a
Definitely
couple
professional.
of people. World Fat Frog, you rock, you rock. I love you guys. I'll be back for the next truck.
All right, Fat Frog, thank you.